Okay, now let's add the list, or let's talk about lists. But before talking about lists, I have this small exercise for you. Stop the video and add a line after the paragraph, the last paragraph that we typed here. Add a line and add two H2 tags inside them, one for ingredients and one for recipe. So I expect that you will stop the video and do this exercise. Okay, now let's add the HR tag. It will create the line for us, as you know, as you can see. Then I will add two H2 tags, one for ingredients and the other for recipe. Okay, after each one, there is a list. Okay, so in HTML, we have two types of lists. One, we are calling it unordered list, and the display of all unordered list elements with dots like this. And of course, you can change it to circles and something like this. And I will not waste your time and my time talking about something that we are not doing it in real projects, because even we are removing it in CSS and we start styling it using CSS. So I will not even talk about ordered list because mostly we are using unordered list. So I will create an ordered list. In order to create it, you need to add UL tags. Inside them, you need li. So this seems that you are see this single elements is li. Okay, and I will generate random text using lorem. Lorem, you type this word and you add the number of words that you want to generate. I want to generate just 5 words, so I will type lorem 5. Enter. As you can see, I will copy it 5 more times or 4 more times, and I will take it, copy and paste it after ingredients. Okay, let's refresh the page. As you can see, we created the two unordered list successfully.